In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in CapCut. Whether you're creating a video for social media, a personal project, or a professional presentation, adding text can help you communicate your message clearly and creatively. CapCut is a powerful, user-friendly video editing app that makes adding text to your videos simple and highly customizable. If you're new to CapCut or just looking to refine your skills, you're in the right place. And if you don't already have the CapCut app, you can download it from your device's app store and follow along with this tutorial. Now, let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is up and running, you'll find yourself on the main screen here. Tap on the option labeled Create New. This will open up a blank workspace for your new project. Starting with a fresh workspace ensures that you're working on a clean slate and not accidentally editing any pre-existing media or project. Next, when prompted, select Blank Canvas as your workspace. By choosing this option, you avoid any interference from pre-existing media, which makes it easier to focus entirely on placing and customizing your text. This step ensures a smooth workflow and saves you time. Now that your blank canvas is ready, it's time to add text. Look for the Add Text option, which is typically located in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen or just above the workspace. Alternatively, you might see a button labeled Text or an icon featuring a large T, depending on your version of the app. The exact design might vary, but the functionality is the same. If the text box doesn't appear immediately after tapping this option, don't worry. Simply tap Add Text again or double check that you're not currently using another tool by mistake. Once the text box appears on the canvas, click directly into it. This will activate the text box and bring up your device's keyboard so you can start typing. Go ahead and type your desired message into the text box. This is where you can add your custom content, whether it's a title, a caption, or any other text you want to include in your video. And don't worry if you make a mistake or change your mind later, you can always go back and edit the text by clicking back into the box. With your text typed out, it's time to adjust its position on the canvas. You can drag the text box to wherever you'd like it to appear in your video. This allows you to perfectly align it with other elements on the screen or place it in a way that complements your video's composition. Once the text is in the right spot, you can also resize the box by dragging its edges. This lets you scale the text up or down so it fits your design needs. Now, let's move on to customization. CapCut offers a range of options for styling your text to make it stand out. You can change the font to match the tone of your video, whether it's bold and modern, elegant and script-like, or fun and playful. Experiment with different fonts until you find the one that works best. You can also modify the color of the text to ensure it contrasts well with the background and grabs the viewer's attention. Additionally, CapCut allows you to add effects to your text, such as shadows, outlines, or gradients to give it a more dynamic and polished look. These customization options are a great way to enhance the overall appearance of your message. Take a moment to review your text placement and appearance on the canvas. This is your chance to make sure everything looks just the way you want it. Check that the text is aligned properly, the size is appropriate, and the style matches the overall feel of your video. Adjust as needed until you're satisfied with the result. And that's it. You've successfully added text to your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.